Hi, I'm Alan Bresnick, Cable Video Practice Leader for Light Reading. We're here at SCTE Cable Tech Expo in New Orleans at our Winning with Wi-Fi breakfast, and we're talking to Steve Harris, who's Director of Advanced Network Technology for SCTE. Hi, Steve.
Hi, how you doing? Good morning.
Good morning. Steve, tell us a little bit about what are the key monetization challenges for cable operators in the Wi-Fi space.
Excellent. So the key challenges are taking our best effort Wi-Fi networks and making them more carrier grade. And that means making sure that the access points have pass point installed in them, making sure the access points are leveraging new technologies like 802.11 AC, even 802.11 AC second wave, and just increasing the analytics that we're getting so we can improve the quality of experience for the customer. So those, I think, are the key issues to kind of getting more of a carrier grade experience out there in our hotspots, and even in the home, making sure we increase the carrier grade experience there as well.
Okay. We're hearing a lot at this conference about LTE unlicensed. How big an issue is that with Wi-Fi?
Yeah, that's a big issue for us. It was much bigger. We're feeling a little bit of ease, but think of LTE unlicensed as a public park. And when you go down the public park, there's a bully in the park, and you're trying to utilize it, right? And I am Wi-Fi, so I go down to the park, and I want to go in and use the park. But the LTE bully says, no, I'm here. It's my park, my spectrum. So LTE doesn't play very well with Wi-Fi.
So you have to beat up the bully then?
Not beat up the bully, but what we have to do is tame the bully.
Okay.
And by taming the bully, we mean that there's fair access to the park for everybody. Everybody gets equal access, and we're really hoping on a technology it's more of a standard, a 3GPP standard, international standard, called License Assisted Access. And that's really what Cable's behind, Cable Labs, NCTA, and the whole industry is around to get that support behind that and drive that into Wi-Fi.
Okay. Assuming cable operators can overcome some of the issues you talked about, what are some ways they can monetize Wi-Fi?
Well, once we get that carrier grade experience in there, there's several ways. So the first way is roaming. So where we can have mobile operators leveraging their brand new voice over LTE services and roam those services over a cable operator's Wi-Fi hotspot seamlessly. And PassPoint is going to be a huge part of that we mentioned. And then once you roam, you can offload data onto the cable network. So that there's going to be an opportunity there that can exist for roaming. Two is reseller services. So with reseller services, what I mean is that you can go out and sell Wi-Fi, but the pipe itself and the termination point is within the cable network. And three, we're already seeing it happening with voice over Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi first, and also some folks actually having a Wi-Fi only voice services. So some of these are around retention. So retention is a huge, people would say that's monetizing. And then others are offering their own quad play of sorts and offering a brand new service.
So given all that, where do you think we'll be a year from now when we reconvene on this topic?
So from a year from now, we'll have more carrier grade networks. That's less best effort. Think of it more of HOV lanes for Wi-Fi. Mm-hmm. We'll have the LTE unlicensed solved.
Right.
So we won't have problems, and everybody will be fair access to the 5 gigahertz. We'll see better clients that support PassPoint. We'll see more clients that support 5 gigahertz. We'll see cable operators owning more of the Wi-Fi ecosystem in the home, and we'll have improved hotspots leveraging new technologies in the outdoor space.
Okay, an ambitious year ahead.
Yes, an ambitious year ahead.
Okay, thanks, Steve.
All right, thanks, Alan.
All right.